Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on factory resetting Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap on the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap system. Then tap reset. Tap the tick. Your watch will now reset to factory settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.